How to update your mailing address on Citibank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your mailing address on Citibank, well here is how to do it quickly using your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here from the search result you can just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to log in, and once logged in you can click on your profile icon or go to the profile or settings from the top menu, and there under personal information you simply have to find the mailing address section. So here once you found that, you simply have to click edit or update next to your current address, and after that you simply have to type in a new mailing address. And once you're done with that, you simply have to click save or confirm, and that's it. That's how you can update your mailing address on Citibank using your desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.